Good morning, good morning. Karen, how are you? Z-Shot. Oh, God. What the? Mic just fell off my mic stand. Interesting. Rayu, good morning. Abdallah, good morning. Donovan, good morning. Lord Nooks, good morning. Got 15 seconds here. $21 ticks is next to nothing compared to these candles. Because we had that 8:30 news. In and out. There's the opening trade for today. Back over to this account. Maybe make sure I was on the right account there. Looks like I was. I was. Cool. So if you guys have noticed, guys and gals, the morning trade has been nice. It's been working. Pine Tree, what's going on? Chris NQ, how we doing? Paint Bar, Francis, John Doe, how we doing? Good morning. It was the ghost. It was weird. Well, it had the only way to come off is for it to unscrew. So I guess maybe just from all the back and forth, I unscrewed it somehow. I know why you're all here. Oh, you know what? I don't think I ever closed it last time. That's probably why. Let's see. Hold on, don't type it yet. It's not working. Something ain't working. Oh yeah, it's saying I'm not logged in for some reason. There we go. Points Hunter, good morning. Van Houder, good morning. There we go. Exclamation point marbles in the chat if you want to get your entry in nice and early. I'm gonna take a chance here. Not gonna look for the full retest just because of where we're at. Had it been a bigger push down, I would have enjoyed that, but now I don't want that because we're in, obviously. I was hoping for at least the quick little retest here. There it is. Start that off with a nice little, what was that? What? Did they change the commissions? 41. I feel like the commissions are higher. That was 41 ticks. We did get the full retest there. But because I knew we had key levels down below and we're kind of in the middle of this overall range, I was being short with it. The commissions are just, it's weird. Like we have some weird sense now. I don't remember seeing anything. Let me check their Discord. Notice board, DX accounts. If you do have a DX-based account, by the way, the Volumetrica trading terminal is now embedded into the platform, apparently, or the My Funded Futures platform, which is kind of cool for anyone that was interested. Who we got? Who we got? StormRex77. Thanks for the follow. I'm assuming that's over on Twitch. I've been really enjoying your streams. You've got some serious talent. Thanks, man. Appreciate that. I believe with a bit of an extra push, your channel could really take off. Ooh, sell it, baby. Sell it. If you're up for it, I'd love to help you out. Feel free to add me on Discord. Keep being awesome. Sell it. Storm, you should come over to the YouTube chat, or even stay in the Twitch chat if you're still there, and explain to me what would you do? How can we extra push? I need to go fix my hair real quick. It's bothering me. I'm gonna have hat hair. I have to have good hat hair. That's even worse. It looked better in the mirror than it does here. Oh, there we go. That's fine. How's everybody doing? H Trader to be. Just wondering your thoughts on if you have multiple accounts. If you have multiple accounts, a good strategy to trade them would be one trade at a time, or would you trade them all at once with the same trade? I guess that really depends on how confident you are in the trades you're taking. If you feel that you have an edge, putting all the accounts together are the best thing, right? Because then you're taking the best trade on all the accounts. You're essentially just scaling up at that point. But if you have multiple accounts and you have multiple strategies, you can then disperse them through the different accounts. So it's completely up to you how you want to do it, and it really depends on how everything's moving. Featuring with trades by Matt. What do you mean, Rayu? DM yo, what's going on? Sam, how we doing? All at once equal money? If it works. All at once could equal also losing a lot of money. Points Hunter said hi to you. Bullish Bear, what's going on? Super Cyan, how we doing? Alex, good morning. Kavan, good morning. Neo, good morning. That's a good question, buddy. Have you heard of the Twitch promotion service? So I don't really care too much about Twitch. I was just, if Twitch kind of took off while I was streaming, because I'm multi-streaming right now, so I'm over on YouTube, which is where the bulk of my viewer base is. So that's really where I'm focused. Twitch is not really where I'm focused. So we can get a retest here for 50 ticks. Looking for this to kind of be used as support, worst case. That was a pretty big move down through there. I would expect us to get some sort of relief. Yeah, maybe not. Alright, now we're just gonna go for a little bit smaller here. Not looking for the full retest because that is not the trade I was looking for. Get a quick little push up here, hopefully. Sitting at 32 ticks with 4 contracts is what we're looking for. Yeet. Should have waited for the key area. That's why I draw them out. This could be my own fault. There we go. Let's get it. Push it. I would like it to happen now. If it doesn't happen now, that's not good. That knee-jerk reaction back up is what you're looking for. I'll take one more stab at this. Oh wow, this is already adding up pretty good. I keep forgetting these candles are definitely a lot bigger. Gotta remember that 8:30 news made everything seem small, or it seems bigger than it actually is. Or seems smaller than it actually is. Ah, can't talk today. Come on, just give us one little pop here. Break that previous candle. Get me out of this. Pop it. Pop it. No, don't fake the candle out. That's not what we want. That was not what we wanted. That's not good. Oops, wrong one. Ah, what? What is going on? Why is... I'm so confused. It's not letting me cancel this order either. Okay, there we go. That sucks. Is that 20? See if we can just get the top of this candle here. Well, looks like we're gonna start off with a max trade loss here. Yep, damn. Well, that's my own fault. I did this yesterday. I don't know why I keep doing it. I keep assuming we're gonna get these bounces at certain levels instead of just waiting for the breaks of those levels, and I keep biting myself in the ass for it. Had this been our first entry, even though I would have never probably taken this because it was too close, I mean, I might have, but then we get this ad, we clearly get the retest. That's just, I mean, that's on me. We got the break of the area and the retest of that area. Like, there's nothing wrong with what happened. It's just on me for starting it up here for some stupid reason. Just a bad starter. That's all it was. Just looking for a top of previous candle here. That was a pretty big move down. Stop at break even now. There we go. We'll take that. Got a decent amount back there. Just frustrating. I mean, obviously, had we kept trying to DCA, might have ended up winning on the trade, but that's not what we're doing. We're gonna protect ourselves. Just can't seem to finish off this eval. It's frustrating. It's like we keep getting close and then we just keep taking a loss. But yeah, that's a pretty big downswing here. Is that 184 points? That's crazy. That's a big move. 180. All right. Now we wait. That sucks. I thought about getting greedy and just letting it sit, but That's not my trade. Storm, I'm not new to Twitch, so I've been on Twitch prior, but I wasn't really gaining any traction, so I went over to YouTube, and YouTube's actually been doing well. So you're more than welcome to come over there, and if you feel like the story is the same, then we can talk. Good morning, TCG Andy, Mr. Winner Not Winner. I felt so bad about that. Lucky Charm, how we doing? Believer, Chris NQ, Paperman. Good morning, good morning. Have I gotten affiliated with Twitch? I mean, I've been paid by Twitch before, once. That was the only reason I stayed on Twitch, was to get that $100, baby. Once I got it, it took me a year to get it. And then I was like, later. For promoting Twitch channels. Gotcha. I mean, I just don't think it really, like, Twitch isn't really the place, I feel, for trading. Plus, I'm not live. So Twitch is more of a, you got to be live a lot to actually make money, where I'm only live for like an hour and a half a day. Hour and a half, 2 hours. So I don't really think Twitch is going to end up being where I make a lot of money. Greetings from the macadamia nut. How you doing? Good morning, good morning. My mom made a frittata. Here, I'll give you her words. Made a frittata this morning if you're interested. Onion, peppers, carrots, spinach, Colby Jack cheese, and Canadian bacon. It was so good. I was like, I'll come down and take a bite, because I'm not a huge frittata person. They're usually overcooked, but this one was something special. I told her, I was like, man, if I had this in a restaurant, I would come back. And it's true. It was really good. Visible ID. Good morning. Good morning. You started trading your funded account? Yeah, today was day 2 of trading the funded account. We are 2-0. Well, it was actually the 3rd day, but the one day we didn't take a trade on it because we actually got here late, so I didn't take the opening trade. So we're 2-0 on the funded account. I keep getting these little minor setbacks on this DCA account. Frustrating. This one was on me. Dave, so my friend David, who's trading stocks, he's going through a little bit of an interesting spot with he has a stat that he knows, the stat tells him that he shouldn't take certain stocks based on the price of the stock. And it, like, he just can't help himself. Like, he's like, but the setup, it's so good. Like, I'm going to take it, even though I know that I don't do well on stocks that are over $2. And it's like, I feel like I know that I don't do well when I'm trying to predict that we're going to get a bounce just because it's a good move down to a key area. Like, I shouldn't assume it's going to bounce. And I just keep doing it. I was like, yeah, but that's such a good candle. Like, the odds are it's going to bounce, and the odds are it probably will, but a lot of times you end up like this, and then it goes through the key area that you had drawn on the chart, like I did, and it perfectly retests that key area, and it's just like, ugh. Get that pout. Have you taken any payouts from Bulenox? Which payment gateway do they use? I have not. I have not taken any payouts from Bulenox. But they use PayPal. They use PayPal though, if that's all you're curious of. Which I really like. I've always been a fan of PayPal. Robert, it was really good. She even took a, here, I'll show you a picture of it. It's a little big, but it was pretty delicious. Should have got greedy and just held those contracts, huh? Could have made it all back in one trade. It's not the point. It's not what you're supposed to do. If anything, I could have held it for the retest of that area again, but I was just happy to get previous candle. ASR, how we doing? Good morning, Supernova. You were the one that asked me that question. Yeah, I think I'm all caught up on chat. How y'all doing today? Everybody having a good Friday? I can't stop yawning. I don't know what's going on. Don't forget that like button on the way in, or as you're typing exclamation point marbles, just scroll that mouse up there, or your finger, depending on what kind of device you're on. You know who I haven't seen today is other Steve. Steve's there. That's not who I was thinking of. I was thinking of Zishan. Or not Zishan, Froggo. I know I saw Zishan. What'd you say up here, Zishan? I didn't see this. Wow, so I was unplugging everything from the motherboard last night.
You gotta give him that hawk and spit on that thing.
To take it out. Wiggle it slowly to take it off. Of what? Of your computer? Yeah, Steve is letting us know that he's here. Yeah, Froggo's the one that I haven't seen. Bulenox way too expensive. Yeah, Bulenox is a little bit more on the expensive side. The only advantage of Bulenox as of late is that they've been running a lot of the 90% off sales. I wonder actually if they changed, because yesterday they had the 87% off. I wonder what they changed it to. Or if they just got rid of all the sales currently. So the 87, oh, they extended it again to today. So it looks like daily right now they're extending the 87% off at Bulenox. VOLA 87 is how you would get that. Code VOLA, I think, or it's VOLA 83, which I don't know why anyone would use that because it's literally the same option 1 accounts, but they're doing the flash sale for 87%. So VOLA 87 will get you that. Yeah, I saw FTT paid, or not paid, but they bribed essentially people to leave 5-star reviews on their Trustpilot so that they could extend their sale. So yeah, Fast Track Trading extended their sale as well after bribing people to give them 5-star reviews if you're interested in that. I do not have an affiliate link with Fast Track Trading, and I'm starting to think I never will because I don't approve of how they do things over there, if you haven't been able to tell so far. I got in a 96% sale at Bulenox and I'm paying $15 a month for 50k evals. When did you do that? Or how are you doing that? Vegeta, good morning. Why are you taking it apart, Zishan? You should. I thought you were just putting it in the box and sending it in the box. You're gonna have parts rattling all over the place. They're gonna change the Mercury stuff for Chase, they said. Yeah, I was reading that they said that this morning, but that doesn't have anything to do with Scott himself. Or just the way that he runs things over there. It was a while ago. Gotcha. Yeah, I remember Methodical Man telling me at some point that he got some of those, like when they were like crazy discounted. All right, so it looks like we got another key, and it sucks that because that was the retest I was looking for. It just had to go way lower before getting it. So had you DCA'd infinitely, you would have got paid. Speak on Apex forcing traders to record themselves to get a payout. They're not forcing. I mean, well, they are forcing the people that they feel need to do it, but there's a lot of people that like they are approving a ton of payouts. Like if you go to their website, like there's a lot of people still getting paid out. So I'm assuming obviously that they're not making everybody do that. It's only the people that they have questions about. Like, I don't agree that they're doing it, but you can't say that they're not paying. I mean, just look at this. September 5th, 4th. I mean, it goes on forever. And I mean, this isn't chump change. Like, you go through and look at how many payouts are going through. September 3rd, September 3rd. I mean, there's just pages and pages of payouts. So the people that they're marking, they're doing something to where they want to just double check and make sure that you're following the rules. I mean, I agree it sucks. I agree that I would hate to do it, but if you're one of them, then just do it. If you're not, I'm not trying to say you specifically, but my big picture thinking of it is just record the videos. If you have nothing to hide, just record the videos. Just take an account, trade one micro, but show them that it's you trading. Like, you don't have to like risk your account just to show them that it's you trading, etc. The activation fees for what? Click Hawaii. And yeah, I've never had a payout problem on Apex either. I've had 7 with them and I've never been asked for video proof, etc. I mean, I would have it obviously because I don't have one like looking at me from behind, but I mean, if they asked me for it, I would set it up. I don't agree with that they're doing that, but obviously they feel like there's a big breach, and I'm assuming it has to do with like from what I hear, it's that there's multiple IPs on accounts. So they're seeing that there's 2 IP addresses attached to an account and they're nowhere near each other. Like, one could be in New York and one's in Los Angeles. So they're trying to figure out why. Like, are you just linking to an account and that account is trading for you? Like, that's what they want to see. Like, I guarantee you that's the majority of the people that are getting tagged is this IP thing. Now, that's not going to be for everybody, but I'm just saying, like, I have a feeling that that's most of the problem. Activate Apex accounts. So right now they are $85 lifetime for everything. So if you pass an eval, no matter which eval you pass, it's $85 for lifetime. Supposedly that's just like a sale that they're doing while they run the so the 150K, the 250K, and the 300K evals you can get for $50 right now with code VOLA, obviously. But the activation fee when you pass those accounts is only $85 for a lifetime account right now, and that's for the 50Ks as well. The 50Ks are still 80% off, which is $34. It's like $33.40 or something like that, $33 and change. What if you're traveling? Well, that's what they're trying to they want you to show them that. Like, if you're traveling, then who cares? Just send them the video and be like, hey, look, I'm traveling, that's why I have multiple IPs. The thing that I don't agree with, and I'm on record saying this, is that in the email, when they're asking you for this video proof, they don't tell you why. Like, I feel like if you're demanding something from me in order to get my money out when there was nothing in the terms and service that said I would have to do this, I don't agree with that. Like, they should have to tell you why, so that when you're making the video, you can clearly show them that what they're asking you for is not the case. No problem, Click Hawaii. Appreciate you being in here, man. This is that name I was messing around with earlier. Bazikabanianesi. Rayu, I appreciate you. Even though you're 18 and immature a lot of the times, I still appreciate you. Just like Steve. Even though I know Steve's 45 and should be mature, but is even more immature than you, I still appreciate him too. My hets. Good morning. Exclamation point marbles in the chat. At 11 o'clock, we'll be giving away a My Fund of Futures 50K starter account, $80 value. All you got to do is be here, type exclamation point marbles in chat. I'd appreciate it if you hit the like button, subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Use code VOLA for all your needs. That's what makes these giveaways possible in the first place. Make sure to use your code if I go back to Apex. I hope they keep their activation. So that I put a video out about Apex recently, and I was talking about this whole situation. And I said the only way I go back to Apex is if they do 90% off and have the $85 lifetime activation fees. If they did that, I would probably try to get 20 accounts with them. That's the time I would try to get 20 accounts. I would blow through evals, passing as many as I can to get the lifetime activation, and then I would just sit there and peace at them. If it takes me a whole year to get two 20K payouts, or one 40K payout, sorry, like I'm thinking like if you get two 40K payouts on 20 accounts, even though it takes you all year, that's 80 grand a year from one prop firm. I would not have a problem with that. Why not? 80K a year for some people. I'm just putting it, I'm trying to make it realistic for people. Not everyone's going to be, you got to be dreaming if you think you're like everyone's making the, you know, $200,000, $300,000, $500,000 from these prop accounts. If they were, then no, there's no way these prop firms would be in business. But if you could somehow even get 80K just from sitting on your computer looking at a chart from one prop firm, that's pretty awesome. All right, we're getting a break of this level. My next level would be the bottom of that Newswick. Freelance Writer, what's going on? What are my thoughts on Volumetrica? I watched the video on it. Hold on one second. Let me see if I can get a trade here. Looking for an ad, but I don't want to add too fast. Yeesh. What is... Can't catch a break. Is it going to go straight for the lows here? Let's go straight for the lows. It could be in trouble. I was not expecting that. Just looking for previous candle here, because obviously I was not expecting that type of a move. Hopefully we can get some sort of a bounce here. I might give this a little bit more of a leash because I would like to give it a... Okay, here we go. Come on. Previous candle. Previous candle. Come on. Come on. Come on. Previous candle. Do it. Don't do that. Come on. Come on. You're right there. You're right there. You're right there. Is that not through? Is that not through? I was like, why did that not fill? All right, we'll take it. Not exactly the trade I was looking for, but it worked. Obviously, the low is a very key level. It got touched multiple times. So it went down there. That's why I was looking to get an ad there. But at the same time, I was scared that if it went through there, we were in max pain there because that thing could just dump. But the odds are after such a big move straight down to get there, you're not going to get that dump. And there's the full retest. Man, kills me when I see it finally get, when you're getting this full retest, it sucks when you're not a part of them. But when you start a trade and it ends up going much further than you thought, it's really hard to hold for it. Back to Volumetrica. I don't not like it. I just am so used to using Quantower that I'd much rather just stick with what I know. So obviously this wick of the news candle was not respected at all. So we'll get rid of that. Where is Tamimi today? I haven't seen him. DT in the house. Good morning, DT. GDT's probably punching a wall somewhere. Oh, really? I haven't even looked at how many viewers we got. Almost 50. It looks like the highest we had was 41. I think you guys cheated yesterday. Once the races started, it dropped down to like 40. It was like everyone closed their extra tabs. Yeah, cheaters. Cheater, cheater, pumpkin eater. Yes, this is Quantower that I'm using. My rounding was a bit dramatic. Yeah. Yeah, so I can always see. So like right now it says 37. I don't know why this says 31. I mean, it could be. Maybe everyone's closing their tabs early. But down here I have a chart. This will always have what the max was. And if I hover over, you can see it was 41. I'm sort of excited it's Friday today. I'm kind of looking forward to just a weekend where I don't do anything, and I'm pretty sure this is one of them. I think actually we have a bunch to do tomorrow. Son has a soccer game, and then we're going to the Navy football game. And then football, real football, NFL football starts on Sunday. I don't want to talk about last night. Don't even ask me about last night. I don't want to talk about it. Imagine being a doctor and trading on the side and you're making double your salary and told yourself, wow, being doctor is lame now. I bet you there's somebody out there that has. I have 3 accounts on my funded futures. I have one that's funded. I keep getting super close to funded on this account, which is my DCA account. And then I have a third account that I have not touched yet. I did touch it. I got it and I took a test trade and I lost $57. I don't even remember what I was doing, but yeah. So I still have that third account that I have not touched yet. Anyone catch the game last night? Stop it. That was such a brutal game to watch. So many self-inflicting wounds. That's why I said GDT is probably punching a wall somewhere. The way they kept calling the flags on the lineman. Yeah, I was trying to explain that to my mom this morning, actually, because she was like, why do they keep calling illegal formation? And I was just like, I know. It's like, the funny part is that rule that is now in place gives the defensive lineman a better chance at getting to the quarterback. But then they keep making the rules when you get to the quarterback more and more strict. So it's like, it's such a catch-22 with that new rule, because if you're trying to prevent so I was explaining this to my mom like this. Last year, you could line up like this, where the center's in the middle and the rest of your line could be like this. Well, the two people on the outside, I'm trying to figure out a way to not use position names because I know not everybody watches football, but they would be back behind the center, behind the line. So they would have more time to react to the people coming across the line, right? And protect their quarterback. But now they made the rule where they want it to go from this to this. So they're more even with the defensive line and they don't have that advantage. But at the same time, they're being super strict on these rules for not touching the quarterback. Like last night, there was a literal game-changing call on a roughing the passer call, 3rd and 20, which would have been 4th and 20, but they called a roughing the passer, and it wasn't even roughing the passer. The dude literally put his arm into Patrick Mahomes' chest as he was throwing the ball. That is not roughing the passer. But yet that changed the whole course, because now not is it a long field goal attempt. They scored 2 or 3 plays later, and now they're up 10 points instead of 6. Changes the whole trajectory of the game. Momentum shift, everything. Being stopped for a field goal versus scoring a touchdown, the momentum from that is so key. And they just swept it under the rug. Like they made the call. Kyle Van Noy got hurt on that same play. They started talking about that instead, not how crucial of a call that was for the entire game. It was ridiculous. Like, you guys got me talking. I said I didn't want to talk about it. The Chiefs low key must be paying Russ because well, I fault the coaching staff a lot for the Ravens because you the first time, okay, forgot about that or something. Like, you have an excuse for the first time. The second time, bro, you got it called the first time. They're obviously calling it. Stop doing it. The third time, it was 3 times in 6 plays. Bro, what are you doing? Like, stop. Like, you know they're calling it. Like, you can't do it anymore. It was so frustrating. I watch it for the cheerleaders. Does that count? So, I mean, you're still watching it. It's called touching Mahomes. That's considered RP. He's the new Tom Brady. No, you're fine. You're fine. I love talking football. I just know not a lot of people do. Have I tried take profit trader prop firm? I have not. I haven't had a reason to. I am not one that's looking to trade a mass amount of accounts. And I am not one to feel forced to trade a massive amount of accounts. Like if I'm on a monthly, monthly payment plan, like with Apex and whatnot. And so my fund of futures has been perfect. I get a month to pass the eval. If I pass the eval, it becomes a lifetime account. I can take my time. And I have 3 accounts. I can't imagine it. The only reason I would have more than 3 accounts is if I start copy trading the accounts, which then I could understand. But the only reason I would copy trade my accounts is if I'm scaling my accounts. So that's the only time you'll see me doing that. I've never had lifetime. I had like 2 lifetime accounts that I paid for on Apex when they were $135 or whatever. I don't use Top Step. I'm only using my fund of futures. I used Top Step once, but they're just too expensive. Top Step is a good company. They've been around. They're like the OG of the prop firm space, but they're just you pay for it because they know that if you have to pay more, they can withstand all the payouts, etc. And I've heard Top Step X is pretty good too. Click Hawaii. We had this whole conversation and you still weren't subscribed? Whew. I'm just kidding. Thanks for subscribing. Welcome to the Volatility team. May the ticks be with you, my man. That's my catchphrase now, apparently. I did too, the one with 250K. Oh yeah. I did pass one of those. You're right. You're right. There's GDT. Too expensive, but their damn activation fees are terrible. That's what I'm saying. All these companies are competing against one another. It's a good thing for us, right? But where's the line? Where's the line that they can't cross? Like, how cheap can they go before they can't afford to pay everybody out? And then that's why you get the rule changes. Free? Yeah, I don't think so. See, Sean, don't poke the bear. Even though I know that's exactly what you want to do. The line is probably $80. What line? Oh, like $80 for the... Are you talking for the activation? Or you're talking for my fund of futures? Like with the lifetime? The thing is... 90% off Apex, you're paying $17 for the account. Monthly activation when they're not running the sale is $85. That's $102 all in, but you're on a monthly account, right? With trailing drawdown. My fund of futures, it's $76 with a code VOLA, obviously. $76. You pass the eval, it's a lifetime account with end of day drawdown. It makes no sense for anyone. And like, that's how it is with all these other prop firms. Bulenox, they can run 90% off, but they still have the one and only $140 activation fee. It's lifetime, but it's $140. So that puts you at $157 minimum for a Bulenox account. And they also are trailing drawdown. And then you start talking about these other prop firms And it's like either it's trailing drawdown, they're way more expensive. Like, why would you not do your research, find the one prop firm that offers the best thing and just use that? I understand people using fast track trading if they want to. I never will, because I don't like the company itself, and because I've explained before that to skip the eval, you would have 3 chances at a My Funded Futures account paying full price. Remember, you get resets on My Funded Future accounts for $47.50 using the code VOLA. Obviously, I don't know, I keep saying that, but you get resets for cheaper. So it would take you, what is it, $250 for a fast track trading account, 50K at 50% or at 49% off or whatever they run. That's 3 chances out of My Funded Futures account at normal price, 7, 18, 20. Yeah. And it's still cheaper. You could essentially run with the discounts. You get like 5 or 6 tries if you really want to just gamble the evals. Like, obviously that's up to you, but, and you can, I don't know. Just the only disadvantage My Funded Futures has is you can only have 3 funded accounts. That's like the one big thing. But if you're not into having multiple accounts, like 10 plus accounts, then there's no reason to use anyone else but My Funded Futures. I am affiliated with My Funded Futures. I have a code with them is what I'm saying. And they help me out by letting me give away some of these accounts. I am not promoting them because of that. I am promoting them because they are the best. Like I came to them to use them because they are the best right now. It could change, right? Apex used to be the best. So it's like everything's always changing. Who adapts and keeps up? And the other thing, look at My Funded Futures dashboard. Like we've went through this before. Like they have easily the best dashboard. So it's like, why? Like you get a free trading journal essentially with them. Everything is instant. Their payouts are once approved, instant. It's crazy. Like, look at this. Do you get this with Apex or Bulenox or any of those other, like, you get full on like stats for everything. Like everything. It's crazy. Sorry, I'm trying to show you everything, but I couldn't scroll anymore. So I don't know. I know it sounds like My Funded Futures is paying me, but they're not. I mean, they're paying me just the affiliation fees that I make from you guys signing up. They're not paying me anything else to say this stuff. It's just what I believe. I do not know. They're giving Marius. They're giving me these accounts to give to you guys as a thank you for, I guess, just using them. I was going to use them anyway, but they're like, hey, we see people are in there. We'd like to give you some accounts to give away. So here you go. So they were giving me like 3 a month per se. And I was like, hey, I've noticed people are, asking questions. I was like, how about we do 2 weeks of just every day? And I made this happen for you guys. Yeah, you guys don't see a lot of that behind the scenes stuff. Top Step has something similar, but then again, Top Step pricing. Yeah, exactly. Shook the industry, and if Apex doesn't catch up, they'll be left behind. The only thing Apex got is exactly. I'm telling you right now, if My Funded Futures became brave enough to go to 7 accounts, they would make a killing. But I think they're just afraid because they know that they don't want to start attracting the wrong people. And by only allowing 3 accounts, they know that they're not attracting all those people that are just looking for those max payouts, like on Apex, Fast Track Trading, etc. End of day drawdown. Yeah, I agree. Back to 50. Let's see. Nope. 40. So that's how I can tell that they're fake viewers. Or if you open multiple tabs, because it doesn't, when you open multiple tabs, it won't count it. It detects it's the same IP address. So you might see that it says 50 viewers, but it's not. It's not actual viewers. Because there's been a couple days where everyone's like, oh, there's 50 viewers. And I'm like, no, there's not. So 50 viewers and 50 likes, we do an extra giveaway. So right now I'm giving the accounts away. I'm doing that every day next week as well. But every day, even when we're not doing account giveaways, if at 11 o'clock we have 50 people watching the stream and 50 likes on the video, I'll give away cash money. PayPal cash money. It's just my way of saying thank you for watching. He YOLOs all 3 of his accounts? Nah. Jocko, I appreciate that, man. That's kind of one of the main reasons I'm even still here on YouTube. It shows 3 likes too. You hit refresh. If you hit refresh, it'll show, for some reason the likes don't like auto refresh. You have to actually refresh the page. It's an eval. It's always an eval. You can't go straight to funded. I actually asked my funded futures if they were planning on doing something like that, and they said it's not in their plans. But I will tell you right now, if Apex wants to keep up, I think this $85 lifetime fee that they've been putting on sale should be here to stay. I feel like that's one of the only ways that they're gonna really play catch up. It shows 69 like from yesterday. So right now it says there's 41 viewers, 39 likes is what I see on my end. And I bet you there's like 70 people in marbles. Let me check. Because everyone uses I can't stop you guys from using the multiple accounts. I don't think it's right that you do, but I can't stop you from doing it. So let's see real quick how many we got. We're not playing right now. I'm just checking to see how many people are in here. 63. See? Pure clean skin. You never got back to me, man, in Discord. Pure clean skin was a winner from yesterday. He was the one that won at the end of the stream. Wait, people really cheat with marbles? Marbles is pretty competitive. They do have to be here. They do have to be here. We had 2 people not here yesterday. TCG Andy was one of them. He actually won the free account, but wasn't here. Lynn ended up winning the account. I need a consolidation. Why did I say consolidation? And then somebody who won the $25 wasn't here either. The first one. I can't stop you. I can't stop it. The other market frog must be in again. What? It should be by your YouTube account, so you should be able to enter. Can't seem to use Discord. This is new to me. Double bottom on the 1-minute chart. Yeah, it is. I was hoping it went through. I was looking for a trade, but it didn't go through. I'll link the Discord again. It doesn't enter you? Interesting. Do people just join Marvel's bail and then come back at 11? I think so. That's kind of what happened yesterday. Yeah, Lucky Charm, it was you. You're right. Because yesterday we were averaging around like 35, 40 people. And then around 11 o'clock, it went up to, I think we peaked at, it was like 67. It was either 67 or 68. So people definitely came back to watch the race. Well, Frogo, if a market frog wins, it's you. Because we know it's Zishan anyway. Dose of motivation. I like that. I'm going to check your channel out real quick because is it like one of those daily motivation channels? Or are you shorts? They're like 3-minute videos. Okay. Oh, you stopped making them though. There's a guy on YouTube that did motivation stuff. He got real big. And there was one that he did that was really good. Let's see if I can find. Oh, here it is. I actually found it. Prince EA is his name. If I win, I'll give it the GDT. God, you guys are sickening. You imagine one day I like go to the store and I come back and GDT's just chilling at my house with like watching TV with my mom. I'd cry. Imagine that's how I meet GDT for the first time in person. If I win again, Tamimi can have it. Oh. Ooh. Oh, you're saying if you win again after you give it to Justin. Oh, I thought you were creating some competition. I can't believe we took that loss. It's so annoying. That's all right. We came back some. I'm proud of myself for taking the loss. And I'm proud of myself for... We got almost half of it back, so, or more than half of it back. Because that was a $500 loss, right? Yeah, 500. I'll say I know I put the order out at 500. GDT has your heart. Okay, okay. Enough is enough. GDT is... Wait, you didn't get... No, yeah, he's got a girlfriend, Ma. Get out of here. Alright, see if we can get a move down here. If we do, it should be a pretty decent one because it's going to break the lows as well. Everything's pointing like it wants to. Remember we drew this line? Look at that. Came back up and retested it perfectly. It did fake out higher first, but second time around. Now we got a little bouncy ball happening. Boing, boing. It's actually all the way from here. Look, bouncy ball. Boing, boing, boing. Oh, we're through. Looking for the retest of 700 here. Didn't get an ad. It was being a little skeptical, or not skeptical, but just a little cautious with an ad here, just because we are still pretty far away from the bands. And the moves today are just happening. Being a little aggressive here. Just to get to the previous candle. Yeah. Come on. Previous candle. Not even looking for retest here. Previous candle. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on. You guys ever notice that it's always like right where my average is? That's so crazy. Like, why can't it just go that little bit more? Ugh. Not good, not good. I really don't want my stop that close. That's so frustrating. And there's not even time to like even try to get out break even or anything. It just like hits it and then comes right back below. Kind of scary now. Come on, shoot it right back up there. Had a little bit of a fake out under that candle, which I was hoping would spark the move back up here. Got a little aggressive on the push down there. Come on. Come on. Just try that previous candle. It's crazy. It's like right where my average is. Just gets there and just struggles. Come on, finish strong. Go. Go. You gotta retest it now. You gotta, you're right there. You're right there. You gotta at least try it. The worst part is this is eventually gonna go retest 700. But I can't hang on that long if it doesn't try it. Try it now. It's the only advantage of trying to be on the front side of a move. Or disadvantage, I should say. It's so crazy. It's just teasing me at my average like this. No. Crazy. Hopefully if it shoots back up here, I feel confident because it'll be another fake out, but we'll see. This would be nice. If we can get back to the top of this candle, we probably just go. Because they're just playing around with it down here. I wasn't even asking for that much, but it looks like we're gonna get smoked here. This feels like it's just gonna dump. I don't know, I might take this one on the chin. It's hard to believe that we don't get some kind of a pushback up towards that 700 area. Might have to take this one. Take this one on the chin. It's just frustrating. I don't want to add again, really, because I don't want to give myself less room to try to wait, but it's starting to feel like we're just dripping now. All right, that's gonna be it. Let's see if we can't just try the top here where my average was. If we can't find support here, I'm just gonna have to ditch it. All right, we'll go right below there. See if that's a fake out. I don't even know how much that is. It's definitely more than the 500 that I should be losing, but I wanted to give this a shot. See if we can get out of, I'd like to change this to 8 as well. Maybe we'll do 9. Come on. Come on. Come on. Right to the average again. Come on. One more good push. That's just crazy. I even lower my average and it goes right to my new average. I'm gonna buy it up this last. Nope. Jeez, a peasy. That's just crazy. Needed it to bounce right away there. I was hoping for the strong close, and it was it was a strong close, but to the downside. This definitely feels like it's just gonna go lower. They're gonna at least fake it out. That would be the worst. And give it a little bit of room here. That's gonna suck to give it that much room, but I want to give it a chance to fake out. It's trying to get me. Did we put it just low enough? Maybe? Oh, this is brutal. This is brutal. Imagine it actually comes back now. Nah, not a chance. You can see the bands opened up quite a bit too, so the volatility started to come in. You can see the volume really came in. Yeah, this isn't good. We're gonna get it. Man, it really played with us there. We're actually at max loss now. Oh, that sucks. Well, now we have a reason to try the other account. Because I mean, we're gonna get a bounce here. Just a matter of when. I gotta change it on here too. I don't want to say I'm gambling right now, but I do think we're going to get a pullback, and I'm really counting on that. Breaking the London low. Yeah, that's what the max loss. That's what the daily max loss is for on these accounts. Just frustrating. It's just frustrating that it got that close to my average and take profit 3 times and just couldn't get that extra little push. It's gambling with an edge. I mean, that's kind of what trading is anyway, huh? And that's what I want now. I'm never gonna let all of this go there. I'd probably do like 5 and 5. Just couldn't hang on long enough on the other one. But, I mean, this thing might still go lower. Who knows? Yeah, the account's still alive. That's the key point. Give him one shot. This is on the newer account. See if we can't make something out of this one. Knowing, feeling, not knowing, feeling like we're going to get the pullback. It's just frustrating we couldn't hang on the other one. It would have been nice to just get one of those 3 pops into my take profit. It literally went straight to my average each time. If we can get this first fill, I'll move the break even. $52? Let's see. Yeah, we do. It's yeah, 50. I see 53 now. And the 50 likes. So we're good to go for that second cash money giveaway. Nothing like giving money away when you're losing money. Nah, it's all good. It's all part of the process. And we did win on the funded, so that's the key. That's the key today. We won on the funded account. Just can't I definitely feel like we're gonna leak up now for that retest. But we'll see. I've been very wrong so far today. Just getting absolutely... These red candles are just destroying the green candles today. If we do get back to the top of these candles, I'll move to break even. Because there's no... If it goes back up here, there's no reason it should come back down here. It's looking like it just wants to go lower anyway. Look at it. It's just crazy. It's just selling. Everybody's selling. You're not wrong, Knives. Bradak Khan, thanks for the sub. This thing just does not want to bounce. What does it mean you can only have 3 accounts with My Funded Futures? That you like, so the funded accounts, you can only have 3 funded accounts at any given time. TCG Andy. Hopefully you're not behind. Right now I am seeing 10:44 and 55 seconds. This is crazy. The amount of times we've been this close to take profit and just not getting it today is just insane. Very powerful trend with no bounce in sight. Yeah, seems that way. What playlist is this? It's low-key fire. It's one I kind of made myself on YouTube's. It's their creator studio music. So I don't know if you have access to it, but it's all from YouTube itself, so I can play it without any copyright stuff. Good morning, Ivan. How are you? I just can't get the love. Can't get the love. Just right to my average and puke. Crazy. Crazy. Like, look at this. Just insane. It's like been how many trades today? It's done that exact same thing. It's crazy. It's crazy. Yeah, I gotta put the stop in here because if it breaks 50, it's just gonna go. All right, I'm done trading today. We'll still do the giveaways, obviously, but I'm obviously not seeing the market very well today. And we already know what happens. We already know that this now will go all the way back to 700. We know that's exactly what's going to happen. It's going to max loss anyway. I don't know why I did that. I just realized I was that close. I actually just got slippage anyway. I'm going to take a walk for about 2 minutes and I'll be back, and then we'll do the giveaway at 11 o'clock, and then I'm just going to get out of here and start my weekend because today sucked. We max lost on the DCA account. This was the first time we traded on this account. We just daily max lost on it. From this, I obviously traded way too big of size, yeah, whatever. I mean, this is a crazy move down. The only positive today is the funded account. We did well. So yeah. All right, I'll be back here in a couple minutes, and then we'll get ready for the giveaways. This thing is still going. Crazy. That's a crazy down move. Take a look at this on the 5-minute. Crazy. Just straight down. This will eventually come retest 700. It will. It's just a matter of when. Trying to get some screen time. Getting screen time. Or can you sense that I'm not having a good day? Hmm? Can you sense it? Can you sense it? Can you sense it? You know. This one is Willow. Stop licking my mouse. Stop licking the mouse. Alright, done. See, Sean, you have problems. All right, we got 4 minutes. Francis, the giveaway is exclamation point marbles in the chat. If you haven't already, hit the like button. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Appreciate all the support. Code VOLA for all your needs on Apex, Bulenox, and My Funded Futures. It'll get you the best discount at any given time. We'll be doing the giveaway here in about 3 minutes for the $80 valued 50K My Funded Futures starter account. You can get them for $76 if you use code VOLA, and we'll be giving one away for free. And then we'll be doing a $25 cash money giveaway because we got 50 people in here and over 50 likes on the stream. Let's go. Thank you for all the support, guys. Appreciate it. TCG Andy's like, I'm here. I hear if you say sweet, sweet things to VOLA, you have a better chance at winning. Usually Friday is not a trend day, but it won't stop today. Yeah, it feels that way. All right, let's switch it over. Oh, what the hell? Sorry, I hit the wrong button there. Bum, 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 bum. Huh. All right. Just gonna play this one. Oh, AP, I saw it. 116. Interesting. 116 considering there's only 67, 70 people in here. All right, here we go. 50K. My Funded Future starter account. JP, I'll add you in. I just won't add myself. Kitaro, I think I got you as well. Or no, you're already in. Cheaters all over, yeah. All right, here we go. Oh, Jocko, you better already be in there. You were in. All right. People must set alarms. All right, here we go. 50K, My Funded Futures starter account. Let's get it. Actually, I have to put myself in there. I can't not put myself in there. Oh, and Sounds of Nature coming in hot. Sounds of Nature's the last one. Here we go. Code VOLA, baby. That's what makes it all possible. All right, was it 121? 121. Let's get it. They're here for the giveaway. Let's go. But if I win, we do. Yeah, I know. I just like to have the chance of winning. All right, here we go. 50K My Funded Futures starter account. If you want one of your own, if you don't win, code VOLA get you one for $76. End of day drawdown, lifetime account, $76 all in. That's it. Put that into perspective compared to the other prop firms. I'm not promoting them. I mean, I am promoting them because I think they're the best, but that's why I'm promoting them, because right now that's just the best account available. So here we go. 3, 2, 1. Let's get it. We're just starting, James. You're right on time. TCG Andy, hit refresh. Kaboom. Let's get it. See if I can get some awesome camera work in this one. Look at Knives up there. AP Knives V. Trading Funds out to an early lead here. We all know that you want to be on the outside of this. Trading Funds hits it correctly. Probably going to come out in first place. He does. Vegeta second. Dropping down. Good luck. Don't get yeeted. Don't get yeeted. Going into the fleshlight. Vegeta first one in. No one yeeted yet. Absolutely crazy. Trading Funds, Bullish Bear, first one into the tumbler. Oh, Jocko getting yeeted, but it looks like he might still be on the track. Believer is not, though. Jocko did not. Sorry. Oh, the name I can't say. Chris NQ also out of here. Code Follow way in the back there. Out of the tumbler, we have Trading Funds, Points Hunter, Ticks Before Pips, Caroline. Top 4. This is where you want to get pegged. Kevin Baker, no! That's not the way. Kevin Baker, that is not the way. Super Cyan also off the track. Points Hunter, Caroline getting pegged. Ticks Before Pips got pegged as well. First 2 down. Here we go. Into the windmills. These are tricky. You got to go in the right way. And there's 2 of them. Some people go from first to last here. Caroline going backwards. Ticks Before Pips makes it through the first one. Ticks Before Pips into the second one. Gets through as well. He's down. All he's got to do is beat the laser. Oh, he beats the laser. Ticks Before Pips. He's out to an early lead. Can someone play catch up? Oh, Ticks Before Pips gets launched in the air. Does not make it to the outside. Lynn, you cannot win, but you are in second. If Lynn wins, we got to run it back. Ticks Before Pips, find a test tube. Ticks Before Pips, find a test tube. Find a test tube. He goes all the way to the back and falls. Lynn almost plays catch up. Ticks Before Pips. Lynn almost with the back-to-back. Would not have been able to win. Ticks Before Pips with the win. Lynn in second. Kitaro ending the podium positions. Laura, Mama coming in 4th. Alex 5th. Muffy the Cat 6th. Dose of Motivation 7th. ASR in 8th. Lord Nooks in 9th. AP finishing out the top 10. Ticks Before Pips. Congrats. So many people died. Yeah, that's the idea. My Dixie wrecked. That's great. Is that huge erection? Is that the same person? Look, Code Val actually finished up there. Was way in the back before. Someone's in there as volatility trading. Zishan, you need to get some help. That's funny. I love it. All right, we're playing one more after this, so stick around. You couldn't lose. Well, Lynn won yesterday, so she couldn't win again. Ticks Before Pips, congrats. I'm going to post the Discord. Stick around because we're going to do a cash money giveaway right now. Right after. We're going to run it back to back for 25 bucks cash money. All you need is a PayPal account. I'm going to link the Discord in the chat. Ticks Before Pips, I need you to join. And we'll go through the verification process. So what I need you to do is go to your YouTube page. Top right, you have your avatar. Click your avatar or just go to your channel. And I need you to send me a screenshot of this. Your name along with your @name. So you can go to your channel as well and it'll be up here. You can see it as well. So I just need you to find me on Discord and send me a picture of that to verify that it's you. And we're going to run it right back for cash money. So let's get it. Oh, no. Whew. That would have not been good because then somebody could have scammed me. But we saved it. All right. Pull this back up. All right. Cash money, here we go. We're not running that track. We're going to run another one. I'm going to add whoever's not here or who it just entered. Not going to make you guys wait. We're just going to run it back because I'm ready to go. I think Methodical Man got in there last second. Hey, he doesn't want the account. He's here for the cash money. He's here for the cash money. All right. Map, community, favorites. Fast Rainbow Road, baby. Let's do it. Wait, did it add you? Oh, yeah, because I didn't add myself. So we're good. $25 cash money. All you need is a PayPal account and to join the Discord. Here we go. Hit that like button. Appreciate y'all being here. I hope you all have a good weekend. I'm peacing out right after this race. If you win, I'm going to make sure you're here. Once I see that you're here, it's on you to join the Discord and we'll go through the verification process. Other than that, let's get it. 3, 2, 1. Kaboom! Let's go. This is the Rainbow Road. This is the one where you can cheat at the end. Yeah, I probably should work out today. I got a lot of stuff to do around the house today, so that'll keep me busy. Methodical Man, gone. Look at all you guys. You missed the track. The track's up here, guys. The track. It's up here. Where guys? Bueller, guys. I don't think they're coming back. I don't think they're coming back. Points Hunter out to an early lead. Palucci. Guys, keep in mind, we do this every day. You guys are here. If I have 50 people, 50 likes on the stream at 11 o'clock, we play marbles for cash money. All next week, Monday through Friday, we're giving away accounts. My Funded Futures, 50K starters, once a day. Maverick, where'd you go? Here we go. Down into the Rainbow Road. No, where'd Points Hunter go? Oh, he's stuck in the fleshlight. Here we go. Palooka. And I'm going to just go with Guido. Just going to go with Guido. Top 2. Guido! Straight through! Taking a commanding lead. If you can do that twice, that's pretty much guaranteed victory. Because you're shaving off like 5 or 10 seconds each time you do that. He's going to be close again! Oh, does not quite get there. Look, nobody's even close. No one's even close. Guido out to an early lead here. There they go. They're finally hitting it. 1, 2, 3 of 4. Guido, can he hit the blocks or miss the blocks? No! Absolutely destroyed by the blocks. Palooka playing catch up. Goes straight through where he was. Oh, Palooka, no! Palooka, that is not the way. Jen is now in the lead. Just like that. Guido not in the lead. Palooka out to a lead and then completely just flies off the track. Willow wants some. Oh, Jen, you were so close. Does Guido catch up? Oh, Guido went straight through again. Or wait, he missed it though. He missed it. Oh, Willow is, she's making my hand go crazy. Jen is through. Now, she is not going to get the, oh, there it is. Future shit. He bounced off. Antonella, no, just straight misses. Our Crawford. Oh, I thought you were in. It looked like Crawford was in. There's the cheat. Anyone else? Trading Bot. Trading Bot did it. He cheated for the win. Brock was the first one through the legit way. Neo, who was in the lead there? Jen. Jen's going to come in third. It's always so exciting. This game does not have a memory. It's all completely random. Oh, Archer bouncing off the side. Neo in fourth. Van Houder in fifth. Super Scion in sixth. SB Soul in seventh. Lynn is just killing it. These top 10s by Lynn are insane. Jen was out to the lead, but Trading Bot pulled off the shortcut. Falls in for the win. Barack actually beat Jen fair and square. They both went the correct way, and Barack actually beat Jen down. But Trading Bot taking the shortcut for the win. Trading Bot, are you here? You have 5 minutes after the end of the race, Trading Bot. And if you're not here, we'll send it to Monday. I can't even finish a race. There you are, Josh. Oh no, the fire caught you. All right, Trading Bot is here. Congrats, my man. Join the Discord. I'm gonna link it one more time. Appreciate you all being here. I hope you all have a good weekend. We'll be doing this again all next week, so make sure you're here. Subscribe to the channel. Appreciate that. And there's the Discord. I'll talk to you in there. Have a good weekend, guys. Peace.